So, just down here, looking dumb, thinking about my project, and I actually got a message from one of you guys. Someone asked about this TechWeld Mini stick welder that I picked up off of Amazon. It's been a year ago. They wanted to know if this thing's still holding up, and honestly, I haven't used it. What I'm going to do, this project, I'm going to use this thing. Scrap bracket, cut and modified to what I need. It already has 4 holes in it. Buffed the slag off of it. Local hardware store. Picked up some 290s, 2 collars, and some pipe. What I'm going to do is weld the collar to the plate, screw the pipe in to the length that I need, and then I'll weld. I still want to weld it even though it's screwed in, just so wind doesn't break it loose or whatever. Screwing it in at least will give me like a mock-up scenario. But at any rate, let's get at it. So I'm going to buff these up a little bit, get this thing welded up, see how it goes. I mean, you can tell the rods are still taped up from the last time I used them. These are 70/18s, 3/32. Yeah, 3/32 rods. Let's try this thing out. I don't want to eat slag monsters, so move that out of the way. These are allegedly made in the USA. At least the casting says it. 158 amp. 120 volt supply. Tax liner. Usually I would just make this, but seeing how you guys asked, see, I listen, I pay attention, I watch the stuff, let's see how this thing goes. A little buff in here, burn another one in. I stick weld probably every 3 years, so there you go. I need to see the distance of what the pipe needs to come out to clear the gutter here. One of the short pipes I bought was 2 foot. So it worked just fine. Alright, I got my straight 24-inch piece threaded in. Got my 90 on top. And I went ahead and used my digital protractor to make sure it's square with the flat edge. So we'll go ahead and get this guy welded up too.
Three days later.
This is the new light. I haven't even opened this thing yet. 10,000 lumens. Nice and compact. Making sure I get all the treasure out of the box before I yeet it across the shop. So that's it. Pretty sweet. Got some destructions here, some hardware. Pretty simple setup. There we are, finished product, all wrapped up. Couldn't really film and do what I was needing to do. Basically got it up there, put some tap cons in the wall, and got everything attached, wired up, and took the old pole down. And I got overspray all over the garage because I put some steel all over the metal just to keep it from rusting. As you can tell, I got to finish painting the garage the gray color anyway. Man, what a difference.